Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. We have a math trick to solve today with decimals, exponents, radical signs, so complicated looking. Let's make it easy as ever to work with. Let's start. We have here 0.1 squared plus 0.01 squared plus 0.009 squared. Take a careful look at each of these numbers. Alright, we have 0.1 in your numerator, 0.01 in your denominator. You notice the number on top is 10 times the number at the bottom. Let's check this number. 0.01 over 0.001. Again, the number on top is 10 times what's in the denominator. Let's check the next one. 0.009 over 0.0009. Again, the number on top is 10 times what's in the denominator. Since it's 10 times what's in the denominator, let's make this A, B, and C. Okay, let's start. So let's start. Let's rewrite this, all right, in terms of A, B, and C. So this is 10 times A. So it's 10A squared plus this is 10 times B, 10B squared plus 10C squared, and this is A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Fine, and we have to find the square root of that whole number. So let's expand it and we get 100 A squared plus 100 B squared plus 100 C squared over A squared plus B squared plus C squared, the square root of the whole thing. 100 is common, so let's take it out and we get 100 into A squared plus B squared plus C squared over A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Alright, the square root of that. You can see this is common, cancel it out, and you're left with square root of 100, and we get the answer 10. Let's work out one more example and get familiar with these kind of questions. Have you noticed here we have 0.3, 0.03, that's 10 times what's below. 0.21, again it's 10 times what the number is below, and 0.065 is again 10 times what the number is below. The answer will be 10 again. Without going through the complicated process of putting A, B's, and C's, we will get 10. Well, let's just prove it one more time. Okay, let's do this again. So we get, let's call this A, B, and C. All right, so we have 10A the whole squared plus 10B the whole squared plus 10C the whole squared over A squared plus B squared plus C squared, and the square root again. We'll be doing the same thing all over again. So instead of working through all those steps again, we cancel it out. We get square root of 100 is equal to 10. So that was your answer. A simple trick to solve math sums like this. Thank you for watching Math Made Easy with Frida. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, bye.